Level 4, Uptown Swing. We've been working on a lot of partnered stuff, not just what we're doing, but how we're doing it. So this week, the last week of the session, we worked on solo stuff, not just what we're doing, but how we're doing it. We started with fishtails. Boom, 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 boom. The number one thing we worked on was this down, up feeling when we're walking forward or back instead of down, down, which is what most people get on their fishtails. We want down, up, down, up. We worked a little bit on the hands trailing behind the movement because the movement is going back on this diagonal. So the hands are doing that. They're not just going outside to side. Then we worked on Shorty George. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Big takeaways were how close our feet are. They're not crossing in front. It's not this feeling. But they're really not even sharing the space side by side. It's actually a little too crowded for that. So we worked on that, and then we also worked on up here. It wasn't so much our fingers, our hands that needed help, it was the middle of us that needed help. And we're all starting from a different place. So we worked on crunching, crunching, crunching the side of us, thinking of this like a little mouth, and it closes when we're stepping on that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. We used the same idea with boogie forwards. We kept our hips back, and the base of it is this. This is my little theory, not this. So you're going flick step, and then you're crunching this side to that side. That's what makes the side-to-side movement. So it's not so much that your foot goes to the side. It's that within this little spotlight that we talked about in class, we've got this balance of things working. So it's not going outside of the spotlight or going outside of the spotlight. We're working within it. We kept our hands here. We kept our hands here. We did our thing. Last thing we did was boogie backs on the diagonal, not squared up like this. So it's not up and down, squared up. It's diagonal, down and down, down and down, down and down. And we didn't just clap for compliance. We moved our arms the whole time, and they happened to come together. So no fake dance clap like this, but not this either. 8, 1, 3, 5, 7. That was it.